Imagine this: your home, the place you've built memories, suddenly faces disaster. A storm rips through, a fire takes hold, or a burst pipe floods everything. In that moment, the insurance you've trusted either becomes your safety net or your worst nightmare. That's why today we're looking at one of the biggest names in the game for 2025, State Farm Home Insurance. Is it really worth paying the premium, or are there better options out there? State Farm has been around for decades, and it's not by accident. In 2025, it's still scoring high with affordability, stability, and solid customer service. For many, it's hundreds of dollars cheaper than the national average, especially if you bundle it with auto coverage. On top of that, you get perks like extended replacement cost, meaning if rebuilding your home costs more than expected, you have a buffer. It also includes ordinance and law coverage, which pays for upgrades to bring your home up to current building codes, often at no extra charge. Another major plus is flexibility. If you love handling everything online, their app and website make it easy to get quotes, file claims, and track progress. If you prefer the personal touch, local agents are everywhere and can walk you through the process face to face. That mix of digital convenience and real human help is a big reason people stick with them. But here's where things get complicated. In certain high-risk areas, especially wildfire-prone parts of California, premiums are rising fast. Some customers are facing rate hikes over 30% pending approval, and others have already seen increases of around 17%. On top of that, there's been a financial rating downgrade in some regions because of the growing cost of disasters. And then there's what's called re-underwriting. That's when the company reviews your property and might require expensive fixes, like replacing a roof, or risk not renewing your policy. For some homeowners, that's a big stress factor. State Farm also isn't perfect when it comes to discounts. While bundling with auto can save you a lot, the variety of savings programs is smaller compared to some competitors. And you can't buy it through an online marketplace or broker. It's only available directly from State Farm, which means you might miss out on easy side-by-side comparisons. So, should you choose it? If you want strong coverage, fair pricing in most areas, and the reassurance of a financially stable company with agents ready to help, State Farm is still one of the safest bets. But if you live in a high-risk zone or want the absolute lowest price with tons of discount options, it's worth checking out a few other providers before locking in. If you found this breakdown helpful and want more honest reviews that save you money and stress, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next one.